Hi everyone, welcome you all to the new lecture on isometric projection. In this problem, you are asked to draw the cylinder isometric projection of a cylinder with base diameter 50 mm and axis 70 mm. Now I have drawn the simple position like this. So I have drawn the circle and divided into 8 divisions. Now the next thing you have to draw the square which bounds this circle in the like this. You have to draw the square which bounds this circle. Okay, now first thing, to draw the isometric view you have to transfer this square into the isometric projection. So for that, now rotate your drafter to 30 degree in the clockwise direction and draw a line from here like this for a 50 mm length. Since the size of the square is exactly matches to the diameter of the cylinder base diameter, that is the side of the square will be 50 mm like this. For a 50 mm length you have to draw a line with 30 degree angle like this. So next thing, in the opposite direction you rotate the 30 degree in the drafter, then again draw a 50 mm line from here like this. Okay, now take 50 mm with your compass and then from this point made an arc, and also from this point made an arc to find the fourth point of this square. So then connect all these edges in order to finish your isometric drawing of the square. Okay, like this. Now this cylinder, that is this circle, when you see from the top, this circle will be seen as a circle. When you look from like this, you will see a ellipse like this, or you will see a ellipse like this. So whenever this circle is tilted like this, you will see a cylinder, okay, sorry, ellipse like this. So now to transfer these 8 in other ways, now you have to transfer all these 8 points. There is an alternative method to transfer this circle into the isometric view. That method is called 4 center method. So to draw the 4 center method, you have to follow some certain procedures. That is, you have to first find out the center point of the each side of the square. So the side of this square is 25 mm and it will be marked here, and this side is marked here, and the center point of this side is 25 mm, it is marked here, and the center point of this side is 25 mm, it's marked here. Now what you have to do is, you have to just connect this end, that is this corner, to the opposite side center point like this. So this is your opposite side and this is the center point of the opposite side. Similarly, this side center point has to be connected with the opposite corner like this. Now similarly, this corner has to be connected to the center point of the opposite side and center point of this side also. Now what you have to do is, you have to find out the center point of this rectangle, the square. In order for that, you have to connect all the corners. Now if you see, these 4 points will be in a horizontal line. That is your clue to find out whether your focus point, these 2 points are correct or not. Now to transfer this circle, what you have to do is, take this point as the center point, okay, and then this as the radius. Now draw an arc like this. Draw an arc like this. Okay. Similarly, this point as the center with a radius at this point, draw an arc like this. Okay, this is your ellipse. So now you have to complete this portion and this portion. For that, you just keep this point as your center point and with this point as the radius, like this point as the radius, draw an arc like this in order to finish your ellipse. Okay, similarly, this point as the center point, this as the radius, draw an arc like this in order to finish the ellipse like this. Now, the base ellipse is this one. This is your base ellipse. Now, you have to draw the ellipse which will be at the top edge. For that, first you have to transfer this square in the top. This square to this square will be your axis height, that is 70 mm. So first thing, from this point mark a 70 mm point, and from this point mark a 70 mm point here, and from this point mark a 70 mm point here. From this point also mark 70 mm line here. Okay, now connect these 4 points in order to transfer the top square face. Okay, now again you have to repeat the same procedure what you have done here to here. Now find out the center point of this 50 mm here and connect this point and the opposite corner. Similarly, find the center point of this line and connect this point to the opposite corner. And then find the center point of this line and connect that point to the opposite corner, and then find the center point of this and connect that point with the opposite corner. Okay, now with your help of the compass, taking this as the center and this point as the radius, you just make an arc here like this. Then this point as the center point, this as your radius, make an arc like this. Then keeping this point as the center and this as the radius, connect these 2 points. Keeping this point as the center point and this as the radius, connect these 2 points. Similarly, this point as the radius, connect these 2 points. Then you can get the ellipse easily like this. So now with your H pencil, just make this ellipse as a visible one. Now what you have to do is have to draw the outer edges like this and here like this. So this portion will not be visible for you. So you can only thicken this outer edge and this outer edge and this outer edge to finalize your cylinder. So this is your isometric view of the cylinder. Thank you all.